It's September 10th, 2023. About 9 in the morning, I'm at an event run by the North Carolina region of the SCCA, and we're going to run some laps. To my surprise, they put me in the intermediate group. I've only run with this club once before, but apparently they had so many people wanting to be in the novice group, then some of us who got bumped up to intermediate. So the two Mustangs in front of me, I remember from the event last October. The young and precocious official organizing the grid was going to put them behind me, because none of us had run yesterday. But those Mustangs have like 3 times the power I do, so I kind of thought they should go in front, and there they are, and so far everybody's happy. And I'm going to end recording for the moment because I don't know how